Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Winnie, say hello, Winnie. We're now here in the forest, in nature trail here in Lake St. Clair Metropark. Hi Tommy, say hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Okay, I'm here.
Okay, let's go walk nature trail. It's nice here, guys. I wish we came here before, the leaves are gone, from the tree, or before the fall. It looks pretty, as you can see, guys. Nice and beautiful, So, let's go nature trail here. Let's go walk and have fun, Hi, girl. Nature trail. You don't do that, your shoes, girl. It's kind of wet. I'm gonna get messed up. What is it? Get muddy. Swamp right here. So let's go walk and get some fresh air here. Yeah. What's that, Tommy? Hi, B. Okay. Irene.
Mom, when I reach the age of 16, my hair's gonna be all the way right here.
Possible, yeah.
Mom, look.
Where?
Right here.
You want to be that long?
I'm never gonna stop growing it.
Are you want it long?
I'm gonna grow it out as long as possible.
Okay.
And I'm never cutting it.
Never cut it. Look at this. Nice. Looks quiet and simple. And
I think
beautiful.
bangs would be nice.
You want a bangs?
Remember I cut some of my hair right here to make it look a little short.
Yes,
like
style.
Yeah,
Yes.
I did all by myself.
All right, guys. Say hello to Daddy. Daddy. Hello, Daddy. Daddy.
Can you find the marsh gazebo? Thanks, Tommy.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye for now, guys. See you in my next vlog. Bye-bye.